Are you looking for a career that connects innovation, technology, and limitless opportunities? Then B.Tech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at St. Francis Institute of Technology is the perfect choice for you. Today, the world is driven by communication and smart technology. Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering plays a significant role in shaping the modern world. You will work with communication technology, embedded systems, artificial intelligence, robotics and automation, networking, VLSI design, and electronic circuit design through hands-on laboratories. To apply the concepts learned in classrooms and laboratories, you will get the opportunities to participate in technical projects, competitions, and student-led activities, both at institutional and national level through various student chapters. This field offers excellent career opportunities in industries such as telecommunications and networking, semiconductor and VLSI industries, software and IT companies, robotics and automation, and government sectors and public enterprises. You can also pursue higher education, entrepreneurship, and prepare for competitive examinations like GATE, UPSC, and PSU recruitment. Because the world today runs on communication and you have a chance to engineer it.